Oh, ayan, nandito pa lang kami, guys.
Ano daw?
Hold on, let's put your seatbelt
Kuya,
on.
lahat na lang tapon. Bakit daw lahat tinapon?
It's hot.
Almost.
Wala pa man.
Almost. Ayan na. Okay.
Ito, you want? What's that?
Naka-video?
Oo, what's that?
Oh my
Paano yun?
God, Tina.
How did you look, Mimi? Is that a zombie?
Bakit ka na naman?
What are you?
Fine.
Oh, she made me do that. That's what I said. Back.
Aura, stop driving. Daddy can't focus, okay? I know, baby. Almost there na. Hold you.
Sabi mo, hi guys! We're here at Bakis. Say hi guys! Stop over kami sa Bakis dahil parang forever na kaming nasa biyahe. Eh, nagpa-park ka. Etong ganda oh. Hi guys, I'm eating. Eto. Mani, na? What are you eating? Anong gagawa? Ba't gagawa? Wala pang ano dyan. Coffee na talaga. Ayan, coffee na hindi ko naman alam. May espresso. Anong coffee ko? There you go. May espresso bar. Getting
Ayan, size. Maliit na lang.
tapos mo. Ano pa yan guys ha? Uy, dami naman yun. Ayan na guys. Fresh coffee.
Ito po yung station na milk, oat milk, regular milk, sugar. Ito po mga syrups. Kulit to. Gutom na po. Gutom na po yan. Pag diet po, oat milk. Tapos meron po silang almond din. Ito sugar, oh, brown sugar. Barista na po siya, guys.
Pinaglaruan na po guys.
Ang alam po, hindi nilalagyan to. Direkta lang ganyan to.
Baliw ka talaga. Guys, ano? Sino kasi alam ko masarap tsaka matamis yung cappuccino.
Ayan po guys, cappuccino, 99 degrees outside.
Nakakainis. Hindi pa po masarap. Hindi pa foam-foam pa. Wala naman silbi. Huwag na ka. Let's go.
Say, what did you get, Mimi?
Hindi na kung coke sa
Hindi na sayang pera mo, iwan mo na lang kaya yan.
Pwede ba yun?
Sa'yo mo hindi masarap.
Guys,
Dapat nagkano ka na lang, Coke.
talaga masarap. Ba't mo iniikot?
Kasi nape-face recognition yung mga ibang tao. Paano na?
Guys, talaga di masarap. Paano gagawin?
Iwan mo na lang dyan.
Pwede ba yun?
Ewan ko. Baka nakita ka na sa
Tapos na
camera.
lang.
Naka-video mo. Baka tapo mo na
Coke na lang
lang.
ako. Kumusta?
Ikaw, di mo masarap?
Hindi talaga eh.
Tapo mo na. Bili habang walang nakatingin. Tapo mo na.
Come on, let's go pay.
Yan, nag-walk away na po. She threw away the coffee.
The what?
The coffee she made. It wasn't good, yeah.
Thank you.
Talaga na. Naka-video nga eh. Tapos sabi ko yan na guys, nag-walk away na lang po.
Pag ako hinuli guys, bahala siya.
Oh my God. It's Bucky guys. Say hi. Stretch muna, stretch. Wow, stretch yan. Stretching. Yes.
You love the dog? Bye. Bye, dog.
Say bye now. So I'm gonna go swimming.
That reminds me of like the BCA gators. I guess not too much, but just enough. I think it's a good thing.
Guys, we're here na sa Six Flags. Nag-change outfit na si Madam. Oh. Dito. Thanks.
I don't look too bad.
Kala mo, naka-fan pa. Hello. We're here, guys. Six Flags down, guys. Saan ako? Dito rin? Ha?
Ito siya. Let's go guys!
Picture tayo. Magsakay kami ng carousel. Chichi, you like it? Okay. Let's go. Guys, Arabella is so brave. Galing. Kaya lang nagpapakarga po siya, guys. Palagi na lang. Karga pa more. Sa'yo. Diba? Sakay sila dito.
The big
Baby, I'm
swings.
already dizzy.
Keep spinning, keep spinning, keep spinning. Keep spinning, keep spinning, keep spinning.
Puppy. Papi, don't do it too much, guys. Babe. Don't do it too much because we're in the air, bro.
Oh my god, look how far we are.
I know. We're up high. We're so up high, bro.
Wow!
Look at our... Ayan na guys, yung nakita niya, sobrang taas po namin. Nalula na po siya guys.
Mag-miss-miss tayo. Hoo-hoo-hoo! Uy, ang lamig! Ang lamig nito. Mukha na akong bruha. Ayoko yung sasakyan ni Batman. Halika, picture tayo. Gotham City Park. Batman ride. Oh, Gotham Park. Part of the ano. Natuwa si Arabella. Maganda siya. Maganda first, and then chicken, and then soda. Kukunin ko na yung soda mo. Smile kay tata. Mag-miss tayo.
Nagganon siya oh, para
Here.
Alam niya?
ni Ara. Paano i-cheat yung ano? Nakasakay siya.
Nagting kaya lang. Tingnan natin kung pwede.
Ikaw.
Tibitos.
Go. 1, 2. Oy, ang bilis! Yes! Binibilis! Mabilis pala to. Oh. Ano kaya aklat? Putang ina ang bilis. Yan o, labo. Wow, we're in Mermaid Land. Did you see the mermaid? Oh, teka lang, may drop. Mga alien, no? Si Coque, inaanak ka. Ayan na, si Coque. Mga Donald Duck na hindi naging pumunta sa Disneyland. The Six Flags na lang sila. Ayan o, Lolo. Lolo, nakakatakot to. Si Pirates, nag-agnas pa si Pirates, love. Naging conjuring na. Ayun na. Kasi Manong oh. OMG, love. Oh my God. Ayan na, nakulong na. Wow. Let's go, baby. Diba? Oh my God. There's a drop. Yes. Tignan mo nga. Diyos ko.
Mexico?
Alright, look over here. Alright.
Goodness.
Right here.
Look at Mama. Ayun na guys, leaving Disneyland na.
Will release your lap bar. Please steady your sea leg and watch your step queuing.
Hi guys. Ayun, oh. Ayan, mayroong sink and then pull out couch yan. Pull out couch. Yan, bathroom.
Guys, ang ganda.
Man.
The bathroom's nice.
There you go.
Oh, baby.
Little cabinet. And then si Madam. Tulog niya si Madam. And then there's a little space for work thing. Yeah. There you go. That's our small room tour. Yan. Room tour ng Haggard. There you go.